Hi, I'm Heather Davis and I'm Joint Course Leader for BA Honours Interior Design at the University of South Wales. This is a 3 or 4 year full-time undergraduate course for anyone looking to pursue a career in interior design or any related subject that involves spatial design. So what is interior design? Well, an interior designer creates spaces that are meaningful, make an impact whilst looking at the user's needs from a functional perspective. Our ultimate responsibility is that we can affect how people live, work, socialise and experience different interior environments. Our focus is all about adaptive reuse and conservation of buildings, creative exploration of the interior space and the materials that come together to create places with a clear identity and a distinct aesthetic. What are the entry requirements for the course and will you be interviewed? Well, our standard tariff is 78 UCAS points or DMM at BTEC level 2. We aren't able to interview at the moment, of course, but all students who accept our offer will be given the chance to come to USW to experience the campus and to meet the course team. We would also encourage you to keep developing your portfolio as this continues to be an important resource to demonstrate your ongoing self-development and growing professional profile. So what looks good on a personal statement? Well, this is about you being honest and clear about why you want to do this course. This is a key part of your application which will give you the opportunity to tell us about yourself, your interests and your aspirations. You could describe when you decided that interior design is what you wanted to do and when you realised that this was an option for you to pursue to study and ultimately a career option. If you're studying a creative subject, you may not have produced work that you feel is linked to interior design at school or college. However, it is really about you telling us about your skills, your interests and anything to do with art and design. If you're not currently studying any creative subject in school or college, you can still use your personal statement to tell us how you've explored and produced work that interests you and maybe gained more experience in your free time. You could write about how other subjects can also allow you to link your work to design, such as history or psychology. You may also just want to explain why you're returning to study if you have taken a few years out after school or college. What will you study on the course? Well, the course is based on our Cardiff campus at the heart of the creative industries in South Wales. Currently, some modules are taught entirely online, with a return as soon as possible to a mixture of online and face-to-face teaching. All modules are interior design specific and teach you all of the key skills and processes you'll need to progress through to industry. We encourage work experience or placement after the second year, and there is an option to do a year out in industry between second and third year. Each year has a combination of contextual studies, technical skills, communication, as well as the core projects module to test your design skills. So throughout the first and second year, you will have the opportunity to work on a range of specialist areas relative to interior design. This leads to the final year self-choice module, where this earlier exploration will allow you to choose what you'd like to focus on for your final year work. What careers do our graduates progress to? Well, although you will be an interior design graduate, the skills and experiences that you'll have gained allows you to progress to a wide range of relevant roles and careers. It's anything really that requires creative thinking and solutions for three-dimensional design in the context of the built environment or a given space. So this could lead you to working for an interior design practice, also into interior architectural design. Also, some graduates move into 3D visualization. Some have developed their skills more specifically to exhibition and retail design and display, and that also sometimes leads to things like event design. Also, there is the traditional route of more 3D design relative to products and furniture, and then also some have branched out into things like theatre design. Others have also looked more at interior branding and the communication of design, whilst others have moved more into the built environment and are working more in project management. So why study at USW? Our focus is to engage with the creative industries community in Cardiff and the region, and that enables us to actively outreach. It facilitates live projects, links with design practices and the wider community. Industry partner support and mentoring is also something that we encourage. This is all combined with a specialist module teaching from a range of professional architects and designers that cover the wide range of skills and scope of knowledge that is essential to prepare for a career in interior design. How do you apply? Well, the majority of students will apply online through their school, college, and this is via the UCAS process. Our institution code is W01 and the course code is W250 and W252 for the 4-year sandwich option. If you have got any questions about the application process, you can contact us, and that's through admissions@southwales.ac.uk. Thank you very much for listening, and please get in touch if you've got any further questions or queries.